All right. Good morning, everybody. Wow. Just going to run through a little simulation here. This is gold daily. I have to get my YouTube channel set up, but I might as well let you all see some fun. You're going to see this pop up. When this pops up, you do your buy. Our playback speed is going to be at half speed. And then we're going to see exactly how this trade does when this first pops up. This is a weekly buy stop, daily buy stop gold. So you guys can watch that while I get the YouTube set up. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah. Why is that not catching the right words now? Damn. Good morning, everybody. Just getting YouTube set up. Be right with you all. I don't know why I'm not pulling the right words. I set the channel to the right thing, but whatever. Oh, tired this morning. Tired as fuck. Yesterday, I actually got 6.5 hours sleep. Last night, I got about 3 or 4. Not ideal. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see, I think we're live on TikTok. Pretty sure we're live on YouTube. All right, let's see. Yeah, we're live on YouTube. Don't know why it looks like not centered. Let me pull that back over here. Maybe not. Well, anyhow, I think we're live, so we're good. All right. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Morning, Mr. C and Larry and Michael Moyhan. Thank you for being on TikTok. Good morning, Jack Wagon. Yay. Morning, Pete. Yeah, I'll be getting with you tomorrow, Pete. We'll get you installed with all the new indicators, the up-to-date ones. Hell, I have to figure out how to do the weekly one. Keith gave it to me, but I don't have it on. Morning, Miss C. Miss C, you're number one on both places, TikTok and YouTube. You go. Good morning, Carpet Repair, Arizona. Good morning, Pete. Good morning, Larry Cooper and Dunn Peel. Good morning, Banner Video. Good morning, Jay Parker and Eric R. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Jones 808. Good morning, Jones. What's up, Nathan Harmer? Horner. Yeah, we'll look at it. Flies blue line. Nicely, bingo bopper bag. Yes, sir, that's a big deal. Good morning, Jason McCain. No worry. Yeah, oh yeah, you have a way better update now. Yes, sir. Yes, we do. All right, I think we're all set. Good morning, Greg, Flight 379. Good morning, Mike Mahoyhan again. We just did a little simulation on gold. All right, I think we're set, so let me go ahead and get this thing going. And wherever my oxygen is. All right. Oh, yeah. I'm so freaking tired. All right. Someone said, what was it, Naz? Naz looks like a 15-minute sell stop. Let's see what you shall see. Naz was a 15-minute sell stop to the blue line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're on your 6th sell stop on Naz 15-minute. I'm not saying that's correct or incorrect. I'm saying how does that sound to everybody? Buy stop, 30-second, 1 minute NAS, US 30 SPX to US 30 1 minute blue line. How does taking the 6 sell stop 15-minute for NAS sound to every one of you? Good idea or bad idea? What's up, Brexit? What's up, Stefan? What's up, Jay Parker? US 32 blue. Correct, Jay Parker. Looks correct, says Carpet Repair. Interesting response, Carpet Repair of Arizona. US 32, it's blue line touchdown. Oh, it already did it? Hold on. I just called it a second ago. Come on. Did you guys even have time to get the buy? Fuck. Jeez Louise. All right. Buy stop. Play any 15-second. Hell, play any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second. Buy stop on NAS, SPX, and US 30 to the 30-second blue line, which is unusual, highly unusual. US 30. 6 times a no-go. Correct, Jay Parker. Good morning, Jan. Nails on a chalkboard. Stay away. Correct. I got the 30-second box spring. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Builder Las Vegas. Good morning, Builder Boss. Yeah, the first time is the best. The 6th time, not so much. I have some trades going. One from yesterday that we traded live. I don't know why people say it doesn't. This is hold on. This is a trade from yesterday. 624 US 30 buy, still open. This trade's been live. This was profitable just a few seconds ago. This trade's been live since 6.4. This trade's been live since 6.4. Small count. It's no big deal. These are just little trades we're holding. There you go. Might get the buy stop here on a push-up. Let this pink come down a little bit more. Let it hook. I would say about, well, let's see. We'll watch it. See. I say within 3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, you'll see it move. Okay, see what you're saying. Correct, Carpet Repair of Arizona. What's up, Mike Moynihan? Good morning, Builder. I call him Builder Vegas, even though it's Builder Vladas. Then you'll see this hook come back around, come back up. Pink will rise to the blue. The pink will rise to the blue, and you'll see this touch. All right. I named this one Rules, Rules, Rules. Guess what we'll be going over today? Oh, boy. If I wake up, we'll go over it. All right. Let's call some of these out. I already called out short term. Does it look familiar? These are the words I wrote out yesterday. 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute sell stops towards the blue lines. This time we can replace this word with, whoopsie, hold on. We can replace this word with buy stops. and it's to the 30-second blue line, but you guys get the idea. 4-hour NAS SPX buy stops. Let's see how those worked out. Well, should we stay here and watch, shall we? There's the pink line low. Let's see if this goes up and touches. This is the area we're watching right here. And then we'll come back. Well, we can always come back to it. All right, here we go. I would like to see NAS 4-hour. Yep, still correct. But it went down yesterday all day. Oh, NAS went down yesterday. So that means this wasn't the right call, Kevin. You know that this wasn't the right call. It's a 7-hour buy stop, by the way. There's a 7-hour, 12-hour buy stop. It's still not low enough here for my likings. I would like NAS to come down further. What's up, DPFX RRT? Thank you to smash the thumbs up button. Thank you. Appreciate that. So once this pink line comes down lower for NAS on the daily, I would feel much better about the NAS trade. Same thing for SPX. I don't like it. Can still hook. Don't get me wrong. It can hook right here and come up. I get that. I prefer it to come down lower. Just like the weekly is for US 30. Henceforth, all the 3 buys that we have listed here. Buy, buy, buy. In. Play any 15-second through daily buy stop until the weekly pink line comes up and touches the blue line for US 30. Hope that's clear enough. Now, let's get back to NAS. NAS's blue line's almost to the top on the weekly. SPX's blue line's almost to the top. Not saying they're done with the run-up. I'm just saying US 30 is better. 7s, if you guys understand why US 30 is a better buy at this time. Not saying the 7-hour buy that it's turned into for NAS won't happen. It will. I'm just telling you which one is better. US 30, do it again. Good morning, LT. Good morning, LT. All right. Oh, did US 30 hit its, hold on. No, it has not. Now we're better. Buy stop, 30-second. Well, hell, all of them. Play any 10-second, 5-second, 15-second, 30-second buy stops to the US 30 blue line NAS SPX. Yeah, let me see the 1 minutes. Let me see the 3 minutes. 3 minute SPX. Yes. Play any 15-second through 10-minute buy stops until NAS hits its 10-minute blue line, which is highly unusual for this. This is how you know you're going to get a good push right there. Interesting. So that's NAS SPX US 30 to the NAS 10-minute blue line. Well, really? This is turned into a, I'm going to have to check this too. I don't know if we're still at the 7-hour on SPX. We'll get back to these write-ups here in a second. Yeah, okay. Oh, fuck. Let me see it's 7 hour. No, that is not correct. So for SPX, you're looking at the 4-hour, I'm sure. Yeah, 4-hour buy side. That's why I still like SPX buy better. Still like it. Neither of them are perfect for what we're looking for. They're too far away for our logo on the daily. The daily pink line hasn't come down enough. I would prefer the daily pink line to come down. Whether it does this or not, like this, it can come up. I would prefer that for SPX daily, and they're both the same, NAS daily. But sometimes it does this little hook first. I think we'll see another little pull down today on NAS and SPX. At least I hope we do. And then we'll see. Then we'll see 8 hours from now, 8 to 12 hours from now, 2 days, 24, 48. What's today? Tuesday? Somewhere around Wednesday, Thursday, you'll see the pullback up. I just don't think you're going to see much of an up today on NAS and SPX. If there is, have your buy stops in place. That's fine. I just don't know how that's going to fare today. And US 30 is already engaged. In my opinion, it's already too high. US 30 should. So let me go ahead and put that down. Even though we're playing these buys, so weird how the wording is here. There we go. Oops. Let's go to buy stops. I don't know. I want to. Oh shit! Did I look for sells, especially SPX. Well, all of them. I'm going to look for sells, so I'm going to keep that in the back of my mind as this morning transverses and goes forward. I hate when they just keep running things up and running things up and running things up. For the love of God. Eventually, they got to stop. Although it is an election year, I told you at the beginning of the year, they're going to push this thing up as high as possible. Because for 2 months prior to the actual elections, if the stock market goes up, especially like it has been, they're trying to get a certain presidency to win again. So I wouldn't be surprised at all if they keep this rolling until after the elections. Good morning, Brian. What's up, Suka Carr? Good morning, George. Good morning, Filio. Good morning, Stefan. Does NAS 1 hour look like a sell stop? NAS 1 hour. It's actually a 30-minute sell. It's a 30-minute 1 hour sell. We can call it 30-minute 1 hour sell for SPX. Already did it once. Yeah, I mean, it's there. Same with the 15-minute. It's there. It's just the 6th time. Here. So we'll make this our little unofficial thing down here. I'm just going to write this one out. So SPX, NAS, 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop. You can put that in. Sure. Feel free. Oh, nice. Look how far it dips. So we're no longer in a 30-second buy. It is a interesting 1 minute sell already transpired for US 30. 3 minute sell US 30. So did US 30 already go up? Whoa. Hold on a second. 3 minute sell. Did US 30 already go up and hit its 30-second? Fuck. Damn, see, I told you I'm tired. This is the 30-second. Yeah, US 30 already hit its 30-second. Fuck. Hold on. Well, then where are we at with these suckers? Oh, they hit theirs already too. Oh, fuck me. That's why US 30 is doing this. It wasn't coming up. It's pulling back. 3 minutes. Hold on. And we had the 3 minute touch. 1 minute. Oh, fuck. Okay. Oh, boy. Hold on. I am too early in the morning for this. You guys think like, I remember some people in the past say, oh, Kev's looking at the charts, blah, 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 before. Oh, the fuck I am. Sometimes that would be handy if I did that. All right, let's see if we can call. Let's go back here now and see. 15 seconds, 10 seconds. 15 seconds, so 5 seconds, so 10 seconds, so 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 30-second buy, 1 minute sell, 3 minutes, 3 minute, 1 minute sell. Yeah, 3 minute, 1 minute sell, US 30. So you can still do the 30-second buy. It's fine. If it engages, take the trade. 3 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, 3 minute. Oh, fuck. How does it look on NAS? Negative, negative. Buy. Hold on, NAS, 1 minute buy. 30-second buy. 1 minute buy. 3 minute, 3 minute buy. 1 minute, 3 minute buy. 1 minute, 3 minute buy, NAS. NAS. 5 minute buy. 10 minute, 10 minute, 5 minute. 5 minute, 3 minute. We already hit the 1 minute. We did 3 minute. Okay, NAS. 3 minute. 1 minute. All right, NAS. I don't think we have a cut down on that. 3 minute. Oh, great. My internet's flaking out. Yo. Whoa. What happened to my internet? Whoa. What the fuck? Lost the internet. Sorry, guys. Give me a second. Lost internet on my one computer, I should say. Hold on. Buy stop, anyways. NAS. 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop for NAS to the 3 minute blue line. 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop SPX to the 3 minute blue line. Yeah, hold on now. We got to get this corrected. 1 minute, 3 minute sell stop US 30. We're going to have to rewrite this. There's a buy stops towards NAS 10 minute blue. Correct. NAS. Still like the NAS. Correct. So yeah, it's the US 30 that's not a buy. The US 30 is not a buy. 1 minute, 3. No, still a 30-second buy stop on US 30. That's fine, and I believe that's the one that's going to pull through. But it is a 1 minute, 3 minute sell stop. It is a 3 minute, 5 minute sell stop. It's a 3 minute, 5 minute sell stop. I don't like how that one's getting introduced when the other ones are going the other direction. But I didn't know that we already hit the blue line. I didn't know US 30 already did it overnight. Like way overnight. Fucking forever overnight. Sell. Interesting. Well, Damn. Don't play US 30 right now. Do not play US 30. It already had a huge run up yesterday. I would just stay out of US 30. I'm going to buy long term on US 30. I would just lock in your profit on that buy. The better plays this morning, NAS on the buy like I called. That's true. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's where we're going. Now I don't know which one's going to hit it first. Oh, SPX is going to get, oh my goodness. SPX is going to hit it first. That is shocking. No fucking way. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. Holy shit. You go, little SPX. It always gets disrespected. It never gets second place. Rarely does it ever get first place. Yeah. So there you go. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. If SPX doesn't, well, it's already closest. If SPX doesn't go up and hit its blue line first, I will be shocked before NAS. I will be shocked. All right. Now, where's my internet? And why isn't it on? My one computer is working. My other computer is not working. Let me see if I can get the comments over here. Hold on. Let's see. Comments. Yeah, I'm still on YouTube. Good morning, Jason. Good day, everyone. What's up, Ore? 30-minute sell to 30-minute blue line on NAS, says Brian Flores. I think I went over that. I'll do it again because it was a little confusing. And it was beautiful. Didn't quite get down to the 1 hour blue line, though. Oh, I played here. Okay, Pete, I'll look at gold 2 next. All right, I have your message. Good morning, George. Hope I answered all your messages. Is it from a 15-minute sell stop? On US 30. Let's take a look at US 30. Whew. Sell stop on US 30? Oh, 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop. Yes, it is a 5-minute, 10-minute. No, not a 15 yet. It has to go up higher. So it's a 5-minute, 10-minute sell stop on US 30. It's just not a very strong sells. I'm not saying it won't go down. I'm saying it's just not a strong sell. 30-second buy still in effect for US 30 to the blue line. Yeah. Then you can look at a 3-minute, 5-minute sell stop, 3-minute, 10-minute sell stop for US 30. And no, my computer still isn't turning on. What the flying? I have several computers going, but I have a and that computer. Okay, I got to get on. Hold on, I have to get on to Hold on. I need to get on to TikTok over here. Give me just a second. Okay, no. Hold on 1 second here. Okay. So now, shit. How am I going to see your guys' comments? So they're weird about that. There we go. All right. So now I see your comments on TikTok. Oh, I can put it over there? Oh, okay. I thought that would interfere. Nope, we're good. All right, so we're live. There we go. Okay. So we're good on TikTok. Yay. And I can see, good morning, Kelly McMahon. And I can see your messages, I believe, if Kelly's is the last one on YouTube. But you know what I could do? Hold on a second. I can head over to YouTube and just not log in. See my comments. my channel. Live. Yes. Okay. Much better. Okay. So now I can see. Yep. I played gold. Okay. Let's look at gold for. Let me turn this off. Son of a beeswax. Well, what the heck is that computer doing? Fucking dumbass. All right. Well, that was weird. Okay. Gold. Gold. Let's see what. All right. Oh, never quite hit it. Ricochet, came back up, came down. It's going to come back up a little bit to those pink line arches up. Let me just make sure before I go speaking out my ass. Hold on. 1 hour, 4 hour buy, 4 hour buy, 4 hour, 7 hour buy, gold. 12 hour buy. Already did it kind of daily, weekly. It must be a daily, weekly. It is. Weekly, daily. Oh, I still have my buy-in. Right. So gold is long term, and I would play any 15-second through daily buy stop until the. Oh, I should just leave this one up, I guess. Until this pink line right here, you see, comes up like that and touches that blue line. That's how I look at gold. Now, shorter term. Let's take a look at gold short term. Oh, nailed it. Play any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second sell stop on gold to the 30-second blue line. It should be able to come down there and tap that. Actually, I might be able to see that live. Let's see if we can see this one. Did it just hit its 15-second? It did. You might see a pullback up, see a ricochet up to the 15-second line, come back down again. So this will be play to the 30-second blue line, 1 minute blue line, forming a ricochet buy. 3 minute, 5 minute buy stop to the blue line of the 5 minute. So this pull down is just to form our 3 minute, 5 minute buy. Back up ricochet, 15 minute, 30 minute. Yeah. Did we get to 30-second yet? Oh, almost there. Let's see if we can watch this live. See if I can move this over a little bit and get you over here. Look. Okay. Kelly McMahon. Oh, nope. I'm missing people's comments. Fuck. Hold on. Let me see your comments again. Yep. Daily, weekly looks good. Yep. Oh, yes. Thanks, Stefan. Haven't seen any gold calls in the new signal rooms. Yeah, can't wait. Not sure why. It should be calling them out. Absolutely. If there's a signal to be made, LT, it'll call them out. Yeah, especially this daily, weekly. And that one gets called. It should be huge. There we go. All right. It's fallen. I don't know if it's close enough for you guys. Pretty much close enough to the blue line. In my mind, definitely close enough. So we have a near touchdown. You guys made a little bit of money. I doubt there's much there. Maybe like 50 cents or $1 per 331. Might be like $1 if you're lucky off that trade. But nonetheless, extremely close. Okay, so that's gold, long-term, short-term, US 30. Again, US 30 is no longer a 30-second buy. US 30 is officially the 3 minute, 5 minute sell. That was a little confusing. I wouldn't blame you guys if you don't play that at all. Fuck that. It was a horrible call out that time for me. It was just not looking, paying attention. Of course, it doesn't matter. I'm in a buy. Buy. Let's see where we can get it at. 15 minutes, 30 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute. I'm going to put a buy line here for the 50 millionth. Now, if this goes down, I'm taking it down. I swear to God. US 30. I'm going to call it a 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop. Today's date is 6:25. 6:20. Now I did call. I don't know why that wasn't written down, but it was there. Okay. I'm going to put it. Careful with where this is. I don't know the exact spot. I can't. Yeah, somewhere like that, right above. Now, if this keeps dipping down lower, I reserved rule number 7 to be able to pull this down with it. As it is, I'm going to put it right above it. Let it sit right here. Buy stop. 15-minute, 1 hour buy. I'm already in the trade from yesterday. Call out live. I'm in the buy. I'm not going to do it again today. So that's US 30. I like US 30 for the reasons I've already given multiple times. The weekly, daily line coming up is incredible. What I don't like about US 30 is it's just too fucking far away from its EMAs right here on the weekly, daily. I think it needs to pull back a little bit. I don't know. I just have that feeling of a pullback. It might not. And of course, the system's calling out a weekly one and a weekly 2. So you can enter these trades as market orders. But as it is, that's cool. I'll wait. There'll be plenty of buys still coming, by the way. You'll see them coming. NAS, same thing. Called out by short-term sell. Oh, medium-term sell, I should say. Short-term buy. SPX, 1 minute, 3 minute buy to the 3 minute blue line. SPX, again, you have to let this come down. Well, on these smaller time frames, it's real tricky. But if we can get this one to come down further, no, see, it's not down enough yet. Price needs to come down more, and then we'll be able to call out come down more. But it's unofficial. You could take the trade if you want on SPX. It's no big deal. All right, so gold called out exactly. US 30, NAS, SPX, I just go to those longer terms. I don't know. Just not comfortable with the vibes. Is there any news this morning, by the way? Did we have FOMC yesterday? I don't think we had FOMC yesterday. Oh, shoot. Where are the... Hold on. I lost my messages for TikTok. Okay, got my message for TikTok. Thank you, Damien. Hit the like. Appreciate that, sir. Good morning, Mark Hawkins. God bless you too. God bless each and every one of you. Again, your blessings came in a huge help several months ago when I needed the prayers. And boy, it's just been a huge blessing. Thank you, guys. I agree with Damien, 48 of you watching. Good morning, Casey McMahon. Have you been here lately, Casey? Gold 30-second blue just slammed. Oh, nice, Peter P. Congratulations. Yay, Pete. Yeah, we'll definitely get together tomorrow, Pete. We're going to install the stuff on your stuff tomorrow. I'm so sorry for the delay. It's been kind of hectic for me lately, but it's been all right. No news today. We got consumer confidence at 10 a.m. Yeah, thanks, Jay Parker. I'll pass on that one. 27th is GOP. Yeah. And FMC didn't happen yesterday despite being scheduled. Oh, okay. That's what it was. I think they're trying to say it's going to be the 30th or 31st. It's the only one I really care. And NFP, FOMC, and NPI, NPI, NFP, and CPI, NPI rate. Thursday's GDP. Okay, cool. Just remind me of that shit. I just don't want you guys to get caught. What's up, CZ4785? What's up, buddy? CAD inflation 830. Yeah, whatever. Don't care. No, I've been missing you. I've been back now. Okay, nice, Casey McMahon. Well, I'm glad you're back too. All right, oil. Let's see, oil. 1 hour. Let's see what we shall see with oil. Already had a beautiful 1 hour right here. 1 hour's hooking down. Not good. We have to go 4 hour. 4 hour. Okay, this is oil. It's going to pull back down. Well, I'm not playing it. Let me be clear on this. Opposite of what the other ones were. Oil's pink line needs to come down on the 4-hour hook like this. You can play that down if you want, but it's actually another buy. So there's not much. I would look for a short-term sell. Let's go hunting. We'll hunt for rabbits. We need this to come back down on the 4-hour in order for this to be anything. And that's why you see this coming down on the 1-hour. See the last time the blue line came down with it. This is more of a traditional buy stop it's forming. So right, you can do a buy stop in oil. Oh, we did a buy stop in oil. Holy fucking shit. Damn, I'm so fucking good. Thank God I marked these lines. Motherfucker. So here, look. Here's oil's 1-hour buy stops back here where I called buy stop, right? Pop, right? Then I called one yesterday on the buy stop, and you can't say I didn't because I wrote it out. 4-hour buy stop, oil 24. Oh my goodness, yay! So there's your 4-hour on 424. There it is. There's your money. There's your line. You would have got oil at $80.60. It went up to $81. It went up $1 a barrel, which doesn't sound like much, but that's fucking fantastic. Look at that shit. Ha! Look at that. Now, this is a little unfair. Also, I was unable to pull this down further, which I'm sure I would have pulled this down further to gather this and get even more, but that's all right. Look at that shit. Oh, I forgot I did that. Thank God I'm marking these down with trades now so that you guys can see it. There's your entrance. There's when you were told. There's the buy. Wow, that's fucking cool as fuck. Holy shit. Come on now. And here's your 1-hour buys. I didn't put the date in back then. Now I'm putting the date in, but these were them. So from the time I told you here, it was $77 a barrel, and again, it went up to 81. It went up $4 a barrel, which can retire if you were playing futures with oils. 1-hour buy stop right here. Oh my gosh! Does anyone else remember me doing that? I kind of forgot. Son of a bitch! I do too many trades. Look at that perfect call. 4-hour yesterday, 1-hour, whenever the fuck this was, several days ago. Wow. Well, there you go. So no, currently for oil though, I think that was fucking fantastic. Wow, maybe I'm the only one impressed with that. Does anyone else remember? Yes, if you guys remember making this call out yesterday on 624 was yesterday, right? Yeah. Holy fuck, I forgot all about oil. Beautiful call out. Oh, on oil. Wow. Let's see if the signals would have caught that. We should play oil. I never do oil. Let's do a playback from oil, shall we? Let's bring back to here. And I'm going to make my own call outs on this since that's what I made the call out on. Right here. We're going to do a buy immediately. Boop. And then I'll do another buy if we can get up to that 4-hour line. I'll try to do that for you. Wow, this is fun. All right, here we go. This is oil. Let me pull this away. This is this right here. This is my call out line. And there's oil. Again, if you guys are worried about how much dollars, I do bigger money just to impress the fuck out of you guys. Doesn't matter how much we're using. All that matters is, was it the right call? And this is my call. And there it is. Here it is going up. And we're not even to the 4-hour buy yet. There it is. We're going to do another buy. And we'll see how that works out. Look at that shit. That is fucking amazing. I love this playback feature when it works. I'm not caring today. I'm doing this manually, but look at that shit. That was fucking amazing. I should just do that little bit right there to see how that was. There you go. Gorgeous trades. Ha 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 ha. Forgot I even placed it. Wow. What fun. I didn't open up any of my MetaTrader 4. Oil's a little pricey with their commissions they get. Look at it. Woohoo! How nice. Gorgeous. Well, we don't have to watch the whole thing, but how pretty. All right, that's cool. You guys get the general idea. Awesome. So you made money on the 24th there. I think we still have more room, though. Hold on. Yeah, there it is. There's our push up. Yeah, that's the call. This is the call right there. Wow, look at that fucking beautiful place. Gorgeous. Did we go all the way up with the blue line? Hold on. There we go. There's the blue line touching. And there's the tip. And there it is. Nice. Wow. Oh, okay. Fucking cool. Awesome. I sure hope I'm still live on TikTok. Good morning, Cyanite Predator. Jay Parker says, I remember. Oh, cool. So I'm not the only one delusional here. Awesome call. Roger, I remember Eric. Okay, so some of you do remember. That's awesome. All right. Lenny, we're just playing around. Sorry. Oop, let's get out of there. All right. So again, I fully suspect as it's dropping before your very eyes, oil to go down. It's already below its 30-second, 1 minute, 3-minute hit. Probably when I'm talking my ass off. Play any sell stop, 15-second through 5-minute sell stop to the 5-minute blue line of oil. And then it will form the 1-hour buy stop for oil. Hope that's clear enough for you guys. That's how I would look for oil to do. Yep. You've already could have played the sell as I was talking. Oh, shit. Look at ERUSD. Let's see what happened with ERUSD. 1 hour. Forming a 1-hour buy. Interesting. 4 hour? 4 hour was a sell. Probably was a 12-hour buy here. Daily. Hold on. Why is it so hard for trading you just to keep your fucking charts at the right level? 15-second buy stop. I don't know when this was. I'm sure that's what happened. Oh, I'll take that one out. All right. Now, let's see. So if we're not at a daily, nothing. Weekly? Nothing. It's going to dip. Sell weekly. It's got to come back down now. It's too low or too high. It's got to come down. So that's nothing. Basically, there ain't shit, even the 1 hour. If I had to call anything, it's going to be a buy, a longer-term buy. 30-minute, 1-hour buy stop. It has to come down first. ERUSD is kind of looking a little shitty. 10-minute, maybe? Nope. 15-minute? No. All right. I'm not a big fan of ERUSD this morning. If you're forcing me to make a call, play any 15-second through 30-minute buy stop to the 1 hour, to this 1-hour blue line there. I'm not a thrilled fan of that, though. I would wait until we get a better setup on the daily. I don't like anything really to do with ERUSD. We can check UDCF if you want, but I don't feel like doing it. Stop, is it? GBB JPI. Let's see. Oh, this is another one. Let's take a look. Somebody called out a 12-hour buy stop. I would have called a 12-hour buy stop on GBB JPY besides the system right here. I called it right here. I didn't put the time and the date in, though. That's my fault. But there it is. Look at that shit. So from here to here, let's make sure Jan tells us the right number of pips we had, because I fucked that up yesterday, is 324 pips. That's, yeah, no, that's still the pips. Yes, it is. 199. Yeah, otherwise that would be right, 3 points, but this is a GPP pair, so this is 300 pips. I think, yeah, that's correct. Anyone want to correct me if I'm wrong in that read? That's 324 pips on GBP, which would make sense because this is the big moving currency pair. EUR USD would look great if that was it. GBP 12-hour buy stop was right here. Obviously, it went straight up. And Jan, if you want to correct me, I believe I'm reading that correctly. It's three. How do they word that? It's 3 percentage. It's 3 actual real points, but the pips are 324. No, I'm standing by that. That's 324. I swear to God, Jan has me questioning everything now with these fucking trades. It's kind of like gold. It's just, or Ethereum. It's just one thing. Can't really fuck that up. But yeah, that's again why I like MetaTrader 4. But that's 324 pips, period. Ain't no way that's 3. I know how GBP JP moves. That's a lot of fucking money right there. That is a fucking shit ton of money. The system crushes it, Mr. C. Gold smackdown. Nice, Mr. C. Congratulations, Mr. C. I sure can someone type yes on TikTok to make sure I'm still seeing comments on TikTok? God bless Cyanide Predator. Good morning, Tank Dog. I think yes, it's right. Okay, cool. Thank you, Jan. Because me and like 10 other guys were wrong yesterday on the fuck were we calling? NAS. I think it was NAS we were wrong on. But at any rate, I don't know why. Usually I could read NAS in my sleep, but evidently not yesterday. Yep. Again, we're looking at percentage in pips. So we're looking at the smallest decimal point that can be traded. That's not. I know you guys on your futures on your funded account, you do ticks, 4 ticks per one thing. But for MetaTrader 4 and ERU for the currency pairs, you're trading in pips, and on your indices, you're trading in percentages. I think they call it, but it doesn't matter. It's the same fucking thing. It's a fucking right call. How about that? So let's see what this would have looked like. This is the original call from the system. This is my call. I'm going to enter it in twice. I want to mark mine with a line, though. Hold on. Where is my... I don't have a shortcut. Where's my shortcut at? I'm going to put my call in, which would have been right here. So we're going to hopefully see a call in right here. And let's do our playback. Why not? Do I have time? I think this is fun. So now you guys can see the power of when there is a correct call. There it is. This is the first time this pops up. This is a matter of fact, the weekly 2 daily ones. This is a perfect one. So they both popped up at the same time. When it's the first week, the second week, first week, first day, day one, D1 right here. You can do a market order. When it's not, you have to follow the rules, let it hook, come back up. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and do this pop and do my buy. Okay. And then we're going to wait till it hits this line right here. I'm going to do another buy. And I got in too late on that trade, by the way. Way too late. Okay. We're going to do another buy. And now we'll see what happens. This is the 2 call outs that were made live with the system. This one was made by the signal services, was made by me. And there it is. We don't care about the dollar amount. Fuck the dollar amount. I just use large amounts so you guys can get impressed. The reality is the win rate. Did we win on those trades? Yes, we did. How gorgeous. Beautiful. It always goes up. GPV, JPY. If you want to see something impressive, truly fucking impressive, unless Jan takes away my 60,000 pips. From here, the first time it was called here to here, is 6,000 pips. GPV, JPY. Oh, shit. Weren't we saying this was 60,000, Pete? Motherfucker. Well, it's still a 6,000 pip trade. I swear to God. See, trading view pisses me off when it comes to that stuff. All right, let's watch. I think we can have these things called out. Let's go back and see. We'll do our select bar back to here. And I think it pulls these up. So let me see if we can get a buy manually. This is the monthly chart. Maybe not. Fuck. I might have to go down to the weekly. There it is. Okay. We have our first weekly. When it's the first weekly, you can do a market order buy. Boop. And then we're going to wait for this daily to flip. If it does, we'll move this up here. Here is your price action right here. This is dollars right there. Right here. So let's go ahead and hit play automatically. Now, every time I see a blue line pop up, I will do another trade. I'm waiting for this to turn, which will be a blue line here. You'll see this weekly stay. If it's still a weekly, it'll stay until the daily flips. If it doesn't, you might see the weekly flip back and forth. First time's your best time. First times you're allowed to take market order. You can't take market orders other than the first time a weekly's called or a weekly daily's called. Every other time you have to do a rules entry. Doesn't mean they won't work out. It just means that's what you have to do. Okay, we're gonna have to go a little faster. This might be like moving in slow mo. Okay. Might even have to go faster than this. I just want to grab a couple of these if they pop up. We're going to wait for another weekly signal or the daily to turn. Doesn't matter, whichever one happens first. We're looking at GBP/JPY monthly. Evidently, it wasn't a $60,000 or 60,000 trade. It was only 6,000. There's one right there, by the way. Weekly turn to green. This pops up. It'll be sent to the signal. It is sent to the signal. Waiting again over here. This is your dollar amount, what we're doing. This is a playback. You'll see at least 6,000 pips made right here. And this is live. This isn't any. Keith isn't in the matter of fact. Keith's probably sound asleep right now. This isn't any kind of whatever. This is just automatically doing this. First buy stops were called out. And you can play these buy stops, by the way. I swear to goodness, we need to send another daily turn. Come on now. I might have to go to a 10 times speed. Let's see. There it is. When you see this right here, the very first time, weekly one, DST one. So this is a daily safety trade. One, boom. You're going to do another buy. And then we're going to go ahead. This is your market orders. You can do the first time you see these two. You can do what's called a market execution order. You don't have to wait for any rules. But from this point forward now, you have to do only rule entries, the two-step rules. And we'll get into those in just a second. Notice this one went away. Now we're going to wait. There it is again. I was a little late on that one. Another one. Again, you would just do the two rule entries, no big deal. And what you're watching is a playback for GBP/JPY. Now there's neither here. We're going to wait for the weekly to turn again or the daily to pop. I don't care, whichever one. Oh boy, it's going too high. Waiting for either one to turn again. You would do rule entries from here on. It's just two steps. You just got to follow some simple rules. You can do market orders the very first time it happens, but not after that. This is the importance of compounding. Letting a runner run is like, again, these numbers don't matter here, whatever the fuck, who cares? What matters is the 100% win rate, 6,000 pips made. You want a successful thing? GBP, JPY has been a juggernaut since February of, doesn't matter, since 2020. It's been an unstoppable juggernaut since 2020. Crazy shit ever. So to call out this is just silly. I would play any buy stops you can find from 15-second to daily buy stops. Now, technically, yes, it has to reset. Just like this one, it has to come down here on the daily, come back down, hook, and come up. So yes, you'll see some short-term sells, but it's just setting up for another buy. That's all it's doing. GPB, JPY has been just a fucking juggernaut. I mean, crazy sitting here for the weekly. So yeah, you'll see a little pullback soon, hopefully, on this. You can clearly see it's up high on the weekly and the daily. So you can look for some short-term sells for GBP, JPY, but I would only look for long-term buys. That's all I'd be looking for this thing. Crazy how good it is. Ethereum. Let's see what we got going on with Ethereum. Daily buy. Daily, weekly buy. We had a buy stop in Ethereum somewhere back here. Larry did it. It's another buy right here. In fact, we can put another line in. Another line in, shall we, Larry? I'm going to put it right down here. This is Ethereum. This is 625. Buy stop. I can move it down as it comes down. Okay. So if this comes down any further, let me see the daily. No, I'm comfortable with that. Right here. Put it right above where it's at. I don't know. I don't match up my numbers. I don't know what it's fucking at right here, but somewhere right around there. Buy stop, Ethereum, daily, weekly. Now, let's go back and see what we can find. 1 hour, sell. 1 hour, 2 hour. 1 hour, 2 hour sell. 1 hour, 3 hour. Not quite 3 hour yet. 3 hours got to go up. It was a 3 hour, 4 hour. It was a 4 hour. 4 hour to the blue line, to the 3 hour, to the 2 hour, to the 1 hour. Touched it. 2 hour. Short term, ricochet, sell stop, Ethereum. Back to the 1 hour blue line. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 50 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour sell stops to the 2 hour blue line. It's going to ricochet. Come up like this hook and come back down. Don't get caught in your buy with that little ricochet up right here. Don't get caught in that. You might want to raise that buy a little higher. Okay, so that's Ethereum. Bitcoin, if you didn't listen to me the last fucking year, I'm not calling out Bitcoin today. XRP, 1 hour, nothing, 4 hour. Coming up to be a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop XRP. Daily sell XRP. I don't really give two fucks. I'm still calling sells. Oh shit. Woo! I don't give a fuck. Let it come down a little bit further on the monthly, and I'm calling it buy stop XRP. Don't give two fucks, whatever. Matter of fact, let's write that one in. I don't give two fucks. I don't give two fucks. This is XRP. Whether it goes up or not, I don't care. I'm calling it out. I'm done with this shit. Monthly. Buy stop. I own it. I don't give two fucks if you guys own it. I bought my average share in my average price for the coin was 31 cents. It's already gone up and tripled that for I didn't sell. I'm not done. Buy stop XRP. And another easy one, do any buy stop in Ethereum until it reaches 4,400, 4,300, 4,500, whatever that is up there. And that's what that one is. Amazon, just keep buying it. I don't give a fuck. I've been recommending Amazon since $93, $92, whatever it was, $91, whatever Amazon when it was down there. It's now at 180. Oh yeah, we doubled the money on Amazon. That's the easiest fucking thing in the world. Look, there's your buy stop right there. There was a monthly buy stop on Amazon. You could have got in on June 1st, and it was at 123. It's now at 189, 190. That's how powerful these things are. There's your monthly. I don't give a shit what Amazon does short term. Any buy stop you can get on Amazon from 15-second to monthly, I would do. Demo money only, of course. That's what I would do. All right. Is there comments? Shit. I still see comments. Oh, there you guys are. Oh, fuck. My other sheet. Gosh darn, I wish my other. I'll get into. I have like 3 computers sitting around. I'll just plug one in. Thank you for saying yes. Good morning, Dr. Bianca Adams. Go with Ethereum, Larry. Thanks for saying yes. Ore, Borrego, Casey, Rich, Skinny Bob. Yes, Jack. Well, thanks, Pete, Flight, and Larry Cooper. All right. So thank you all for saying yes. Sorry, I don't know why. My one computer is just screwing up. I don't know whatever it's doing. I'll have to check that for now. Let's see. All thanks. The 1 pip says GBP is 0.01, so GBP price is 123. 3 pips. Okay, Leon. My answer stays that it's 6,000 pips. Trust the system and read the rules. Amen to that. Awesome, Mr. C. Thank you, Leon. I think that is right. Yes. Mr. C, all thanks to God. Amen. Peter P. Kev, you could also show the Freedom 1 hour, 30 second sell stop with gold from yesterday. It was magical. So let's see that. He wants me to go to gold. I called out everything for you guys this morning, by the way. Gold, 1 hour. 1 hour what? So the gold 1 hour, 30 seconds. Okay, let's take this one off. Uh, 1 hour, 30 seconds. So it could have been either one of these. Let's go down. Oh, I see what he's talking about already. There's your 30-second line right here. Oh boy, that's a long time ago. I'm gonna have to mark this manually to see it though. I don't know what we're dealing with. We want, roughly speaking, this one. Boy, try to get it down there though. Maybe 15-minute first. Okay. Let's go to 5 minute. Let's go to 1 minute. Let's go to 30-second. Okay. Yeah, there we go. All right. So technically, this is a 1 hour, 30 second sell. It's master controlled. We need to 1 hour. Shit. Well, I might not be able to find that. We'll just go from here. All right. Let me see if 1 hour is lit right here or not. It is not. Interesting. Oh, come on. You got it. There we go. 30-second popped up. This is a sell. This is red right here. This is your line. The signal would have went to the signal service. If it didn't go there, though, was this signal service calling gold? We can go back there and look. If it wasn't calling it, we'll have to do a keep. So this would be a sell this time. Boop. Watch your money right here on the 30-second sell. And then you can hit play. We don't want to go times 10, though. Let's see if we get any. Well, you were in immediate money on that one. Could have sold that immediately. Okay, we're going to wait. Oh, another sell. Another sell. Wait for these to flip. This should be green. Oh, there's another one right there. I'm not sure why. It must have flipped a while ago on gold, on the hourly. Another sell here. And again, you wouldn't take market orders other than the first one where you made your money. You would sit there and wait and do your rule entry, 2 rules entry. Gosh, I hope there's no things I want to go. I think there's another cell in there. Fuck. I don't. There might be. Yeah, I think. Oh my. I think there's a shit ton of fucking cells. Well, whatever. You guys get the idea. Evidently, they would all make money at least initially. Yeah, there you go. Can I shift this right here? Yes. Okay. Let me bring this. Okay, let's go over here to 1 hour. Yeah. So you can see it going down. What it's following is this downward thing to the blue line. See it go down. Yeah, it is beautiful, Pete. There it is. And that's probably enough money right there, I guess. Keeps going though, doesn't it? All right. And there it is. So these are 30-second cells you just saw. Perfectly called out by the system and Pete. Noticing that? Let me take this one away. And then that's our hourly. This is the 30-second one. That was gold. Pop, 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 pop. Look at that shit. Straight down. Wow. Fucking pretty cool. All right. Where were we? 30 seconds. Nice. Good morning, Cristobal Adams. The first rundown was a monster. It was beautiful. Ethereum. Rich OBX 1 hour. I don't know what you're asking, Rich. I don't see the rest of your question. Sorry. All right. Now that we made all the call outs, answered everybody's questions. What's up, JL Green? Good morning. God bless. Does anybody have any questions or concerns or comments? Poor little Sam guy that came on here a week ago, all disgruntled and unhappy. Obviously, he was trying to say initially that the system doesn't work. Then when he saw the signal service, he backed off because the signal service has its lines. They're automatically drawn. There's nothing you can say that doesn't work. Awesome. So how do we get trades like Keith, like Mr. C, like myself, like Kim Harrington? She's so great. She doesn't know how great she is doing. Is because the signal service, as you just saw, calls out signals by following the rules. These signals, the first one in the group, are always correct, and it's correct. You can do your market order, and there it goes down. Just huge. Yeah, he's right. I could have kept playing that for a long time. It was just huge. So how does it do this? How does it know to make cells here, right? And then there's other times, I'm sure, if we go down far, especially if I open up my hourly. Hold on, let's do that. We can have both charts open now, I think, too. Yeah, let me scoot this over a little bit. Okay, to here. All right, so we're going to go over here. So this would have produced our cell right here, and that's why you got those signals called out right here. This is our cell from here to here down. When it triggered, boom, 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 boom. Pete is right. Here would be some buy stops if they caught. Let's see right here. It would have been here and up. There's the first buy stop, which would have been correct. Yep, there it is. The first buy stop on gold was this one right here. And that would have been the correct call. Always the first one you can do market order on, and that's it. So how does the signal service call out these trades with such precision and accuracy? And a lot of you guys have troubles. Well, let's get a couple things clear. I started with just the system. Okay. And I care about you guys so much. Oh, I hear something playing. Hold on. Oh, maybe that's me. It works by the damn system. Thank you, Pete. What's up, Tony? Good morning. CPI today? I don't, oh God, I hope not. If there's CPI today, I'm not, well, I mean, I guess I could play it, but Jesus, I wanted to teach you guys shit. If there's CPI, they let me know. I don't know what the fucking deal. All right. So what I did was I made a color-coded system for you guys. This thing you see here, $575 for the year. Green, 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 red, green, green, up she goes. Green, 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 red, green, broken back, up she goes. So it's green, 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 red. This is gold 30 seconds. Don't give a fuck. There it went. A lot of you had trouble seeing these trades. You had trouble seeing them. Well, I don't know. It wasn't right. So I said, okay, I listened to you all. And then I went ahead and made the sniper $150 a month extra add-on. And it was the blue line low, pink line low with this, and it would go up and pop, it went up, pop, it went up, pop, it went up. And this is the best one across right here. Pop, it went up. And there it is. So I made the sniper. The sniper is based off the BOK, the BOK indicator. No one cares. But all I did was pull these two lines out so you can see them clearly. If they broke the BOK, they'll both be down. If they didn't, and so forth. I don't get into that. But that's all I did. So it wasn't a genius move. It was just something so you guys can see things more clearly. And I broke it out. So that way you guys can see the trades easier. Well, it ends up that the breakout, if there's news, just fucking don't play the news. Don't get in the market. If you have yourselves in, lock in profit and don't do anything else. If you have buys in, lock in profit and don't do anything else. If you have neither buys nor sells in and there's news, I guess I can go play it, but I'd rather not. I've been kind of a little tired this morning. That's okay. CPI today? I just don't think so. Maybe. CAD CPI. No CPI. Oh, Canadian. Oh, no, no, no. We don't care about Canada. Nothing personal, my fellow Canadians. I'm not Canadian. But no, we don't give two shits. The market doesn't care. That's funny as fuck. No, we don't care. So skip it. Just don't. Just stay out. Just don't. It doesn't matter. No, Canadian CPI that's about as meaningful as. Well, I'm not going to pick on Canada. All right. Anyway, the only country that moves the financial markets and has for the last ever is the United States of America. When the United States of America market, it is in England, the financial capital of the world. London's the city state. It's supposedly the financial capital and all that. No, it isn't. It's America. It isn't BRICS. It's America. America rules. When the 9:30 Central Standard Time, Eastern Standard Time, 9:30 comes around, the American market opens, all volume goes up 500 to 1,000% or more. So if it's a signal GBP JPY was moving 1 pip at a time prior to 9:30, it'll move 5 to 10 pips at a time or more in a candle. It's that powerful. So the only thing that matters is American news. No offense to the world, but that's all that matters. So hate it, love it. I'm not saying pro-American anything. I'm just telling you how facts are with money. All right, next. Made the system color-coded. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Green, 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 red, broken BOK, buy stop. Okay, whatever. People didn't get it, couldn't do it, didn't understand it, had trouble. So I created the sniper, trying to help you all. Took forever, but I got it coded. We got all this shit in here. It fucking started off as the sniper was only going to be for a smaller time frame. It ends up I got it to work on all time frames. Fucking amazing. Here you go. Look at this 30-second buy right here. Look at this 30 fucking second buy. Green, 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 red, green. It's all you need. But if you need help, get the sniper. I wouldn't trade without it now that I have it. This is the perfect setup right here. So what you guys should do is take a picture of this right here. Look, how do I know it's the perfect setup? Because the signal service knew it was a perfect setup. How ironic. You can clearly see that the signal service is calling out a buy right here, a 30-second buy, because blue line, pink frosted, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. You place it up here. Well, now you can do, okay, so then say people, well, I have the sniper, I still have troubles. Well, then I made a fucking indicator that makes signals. Keith coded it. The great Keith Palmer, put some respect on his name. Unbelievably great coder, unbelievably good man, just a great man. He's one of the good souls on this earth, good friend. And I don't say the word friend over any of you else. The only other friends I have on there is Mike Lewinsky, Tommy. I consider Tommy a friend now. And then, but the only person I've ever met off here that isn't a true real life friend is now a real life friend is Keith. We've met, and he's just a good man. Anywho, so he does all the coding for us, right? He also codes for Disney and used to code for NASA, just so you're clear. He's currently coding for Disney, just so you're aware. And he also codes for us. Well, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. The signal sees it. My signal service was created for the people who couldn't do the normal system, couldn't do the sniper. Then I made an add-on so you guys can now do the signal service. Totally optional. You don't need it. But this signal right here, holy fuck, watch. There it goes. There it is again. It's only the first one that happens in the group, by the way, that you're able to take market order. Or you wait for the rules. Only 2 simple steps. That's it. Take a picture of this, print this out, have it next to your computer, have it on your phone, on your car mirror, your bathroom mirror. Only trade a buy when it looks like this, whether it's 30-second, whether it's daily, weekly, whether it's when, it doesn't matter. This is the trade you would take in the first time it happens. Okay? Now, what are the rules that I use to code this? This is what you guys should be asking yourself. What are the rules that are the order of operation, Keith calls it. He knows how technical he is, but he's right. And he's calling things correctly, so it is what it is. I got to respect them. So what are the rules that I set for these signals? Well, they're the damn same effing rules, plus a little on the smaller time frames. We had to modify a little. But it's the same fucking rules you see right here. Oh, shit. I'm not a financial advisor. Please type yes. This is a copyright protected program. We will sue the living crap out of you if you try to take anything. Okay, this is a copyrighted, trademarked, patent pending, NDA protected system. Please type yes if you understand. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, fuck. I was really good about that. Thank you, Tony. Thank you, Pete. Good morning, Tony Plesh. Thank you, Greg. Yeah, okay. So you guys said yes. Awesome. All right. Now, what are the rules? Well, this is the freedom indicator rule. What you're looking at right here, this thing that I covered up right there. What you see right here, let me show you to be specific. Look at your sell stop. Sell stop. Boom, gold. Sell stop to the blue line, gold. Anywho, what you're looking up here is the machine gun trade, machine gun pre-signals right here, the hourly. These are your Hydra 2.0s, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute. When these match, first time you take your trade market order. Any other time, in other words, you can take the trade as soon as this happens. Any other time these flash up, you'd have to follow the rules. But what are the rules and what causes these things to flash up? Right here. These are your rules. These have been updated. Anyone in tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 have updated rules. You need to watch those again. Welcome to Boom. These are the rules. This will actually be changed now to all of even further and further and further as we go forward. But 7.1, publish. Get out. Okay. Review your rules multiple times a day. If you need help, do everything but email us. If you need help, go to your rules, go to the Discord, go to YouTube channel, attend a training session, ask your question to advise. Google is your friend. Again, some silly person decided to waste my time or tried to and say, hey, what's the difference between a buy stop and a sell stop, and emailed me, I responded with LOL, or actually I responded with laugh my fucking ass off. Google is your friend. Google that answer. Don't fucking contact us unless you absolutely need the help. Rules for the freedom indicator. This is it right here. You can read them over. The freedom signal indicator. Please note, if it's not the first signal, then you must follow the two-step rules. I.e., if you see a weekly green freedom arrow signal, then take the very first daily green arrow freedom signal after that and mark it down the order. All further freedom signals must be taken that rules order where you follow the two-step rules. Trust me, watch the video. Don't do any news before trading for any of these news things. The machine gun pre-signal is just that, a signal that goes out to alert before a ton of Hydra 2.0 signals. Can you imagine what I did? I created a signal to let you know there's signals coming. I don't know if anyone really truly appreciates that. I made a signal. I swear, every time I say this, because it's the craziest thing on earth. Never in my wildest dreams did I think I'd ever get to the point where I can make a winning trade, let alone make a signal to let you know there's signals coming. And those Hydra 2.0 signals fire off like a machine gun. Henceforth, the machine gun pre-signal, and then there's tons of Hydra signals after that. You're allowed to take the first one as soon as it comes in, and then you do not take any other ones unless you follow the rules. This has been a free upgrade. It's already firing out signals, I think, to everything, maybe not for gold, but it's going into our Discord room right here, to these rooms. Oh, look. Which one's this? This is a new weekly? UK 100 buy weekly. Let's go check this out. I'll get back to the rules in a second. Do I have UK up, though? I don't think I do. Ah, fuck. Let's go over here. UK 100. We'll go to the weekly. How exciting. All right, UK 100 weekly. Yeah. You don't want to play you don't use the seconds on a weekly trade. You have to turn on the weekly. Oh, must be the new signal going on. I don't see mine here. There it is. Oh, and you have to be on the daily, by the way. That's all in the rules. All right. So there you are. Oh, and see the new signals. That's not true. We're even late on this. The new signals would have called this buy stop already. You'd already been in it. But this is your weekly, daily one. This is a great fucking signal. What is this? UK 100. Should have already been in the trade, but I would play. Let me be clear. Play any 15-second through daily buy stops on the UK 100 until this pink line goes like this and comes back up and touches. It's as simple as that. Play any of them. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is perfection personified. You should have already been in a trade back here, but it's okay. You missed basically a few pips already. You would have got in here because this was when it was called, and then you'd have made 74 pips or something like that. I have no idea. Maybe 700. I don't know. But that's how I'm going to play it. Call out, buy, stop. Play any 15-second through daily until this pink line rises up to this blue line, and that is UK 100. Wow, that was great. So anyway, now you can just see fucking trades because that's what happens. All right. The freedom signal indicator is a free signal upgrade again by me and Bree. From Bree and I, anyone paying for tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3, the signals are already going there. Tier 3 people will get the signals just like mine. You'll be able to turn these on and off. You have your charts set up just like mine. Tier 1, tier 2, 3 signals through the Discord rooms. The Discord freedom indicator rooms are set up as follows. Tier 1 gets, now let's be clear on this. Tier 1 used to get 5 signals for $150 a month. We doubled it to 10. Tier 2 used to get 10 signals for $250 a month. We doubled it to 20. Tier 3 gets unlimited signals and the actual freedom signal indicator on your own trading view charts. And the signals go out for all of these. So instead of just having a few symbols we were trading, it was only the three indices, gold and oil. Now we have signals going to the signal rooms, free upgrade. Instead of 5, we have 15. We doubled the number of signals you get. We tripled the number of symbols it's tracking. Who the fuck? All for free. FX majors and crosses are these ones that's sending signals, machine gun signals and Hydra. The indices it used to be these three, excluding the UK. You just saw that. It's also sending for gold and oil. It's also sending for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. It's also sending to Amazon and Google. 7, if you guys understand that we are now giving you double the number of signals, triple the number of symbols, and we've given you much more accurate and much easier market order trades on some of these entrances. 7s, if you guys understand, Bree and I did that for free, and it was coded by Keith. All right. Now, did I miss any questions up here? Oh, it is firing off. Thank you, LT. Thank you, sir. July 14th, correct, Peter P. That's when the free upgrade will happen, or at least by 8/1. I give myself a little more leeway right here in the write-up in the rules. Okay. How to set up your charts. I tell you how to set up the charts. One chart on the left is your weekly, daily. The middle chart is your hourly, and your second daily, hourly, and the third chart is your hourly seconds. And then how to use them. You can enter in the first time, much safer if you wait for the first time. Please do not take a trade because the arrows match. Only take a trade when they match for the first time. Do not take a trade when the trades match. Only take a trade for the first time. But they should only be rule-based trades. You can do it, but you should only do step 1, step 2. Sometimes these drawdowns could be huge. They're not ideal if you're doing a weekly, daily buy or a sell. Sometimes the drawdown of those can be crazy. That 30-second can destroy someone. So be careful with these trades. Unless you're doing like a 0.01 on SPX, you can afford to lose in a $500 small account 60 pips. And I seriously don't think there's any trade that's going to go 60 pips the wrong direction, to be honest with you. I just don't. Ever on SPX type trades. Right? So that's your rules. This is a training video. Matter of fact, let me set this training video up in there. Let me write that down. Put today's 6:25 video in type form. All right. Then we have over here how to set up your alerts with Keith has to do. This isn't current. We have to do that one again. He's going to do it again, Lord willing. Extremely important. Always remember, regardless of what you're doing, that's why I still insist on you guys at this point. I might allow signals only soon. But you are to only remember this. This is a freebie for anyone trading. It's the number one thing, easiest thing to remember. If your price is above and to the left, look for buy stop. This should totally 50% increase your trading win rate by at least 50. Because if you don't look for a sell when this happens, you're going to win. If for a sell stop, this op is left and under. So hopefully you guys understand that. I can show you right here how this looks in real time. Let me go to daily. And let's go from this weekly one down to the, here we go, daily, hourly. All right, let's take a look right here. Price action is these bars. No, they're not candles. It could be anything. You can make them into fucking squares. This is price action. You can clearly see it staying to the left, forming our logo. What is our Some people ask still to this day. If you go over to safetrade.com, you'll see our logo on the back of our bull. Green up, red down. So if you come over to here, price action stays to the left. These are your buy stops in if you're doing daily ones. Up, up. You can clearly see the system called these out accurately. This is UK. I've never done a replay on UK. First time on the daily, you can see the daily is called right here, that DA. Yeah, there it is right there, the D1. So you can clearly see it. So let's go ahead and take a look. The very first time this is called, you can do a market order. Let's see if we can. I don't know if we're going to get any other call-ins, though. We probably won't. Let me just do this real quick. Right to here. This is UK 100. We're about to see if we can get any of the signals to pop up. There we go. First time this happens, you'll get a lot of drawdown, but the first time this happens, you can do a buy if you so desire. I'm going to go ahead and put this at 1,000 so we can have lots of fun. All right, and then we're going to wait over here for any more of these to flip. Most likely you're going to see the 5-minute flip first, and then maybe 10. It can go 10 or 15, but normally it's 5, 10, maybe 15. Then you'll see the hourlies. I don't know if it's going to call these, so what I'm going to do is play this back at 3 times speed. If it calls them, I'm going to go ahead and shit. The hourly popped up first, and then the first time was back here. I already missed it. That fucking sucks. I'm going to do another buy. And then it came up again. So the first time these two match arrows, you can take the trade. Anytime after that, you just follow the rules, which we're going to go over the 2-step rules. Okay. Damn, that went fast. Fuck. It's calling them all. Fuck. It's like Christmas over here. You see all these flashing? Pop, pop, pop. You follow the rules, follow the rules. Hold on. This is bullshit. Now that I know this is working, hold on. We're not going to do fucking. We're not doing 3 times speed. We'll do 1 time speed, maybe even half time speed. All right. So we're going to wait here. Boom. First time pops up, we can do an order. Waiting. We're going to wait over here till the first match on this. If it's a 1 hour, there it is, 1 hour. Now, when these two match, you can do an immediate buy again. After these two match right here, the only way you can re-enter a trade is if you do a rules order trade for any of these. It just basically it hooks over, it comes back up. Well, you know the routine. So we've always done. So we're going to wait over here for some more trades. Another hourly popped up. Wait for the rules, then do a buy. Here they are. This is more like it. Here's a 5 and a 10-minute. You wait for our 2-step rules. Then you can do another order. You can do another buy. Remember, these signals form the line, which goes over to our Discord, which goes into your rooms. This is the amount of money that we're trading. Okay. And then we're going to wait. There it is again. There's some more. Here's some more. Pop, pop. We're going to do another buy. Again, you have to follow those 2-step rules now because we've already had our initial ones down here. 2 more. You can see another 10-minute, 15-minute pop, pop, pop. You can clearly see that we're going to do another buy. This is price, whatever's happening with price right now. Here it is again. You can only do the step 2 rules to enter in these 2, but we can do another buy once it happens. This is the D2 one. You can clearly see this is the second D2. See how it counts it for you, by the way. You can thank the great Keith Palmer for that. That is counting it. We're looking at UK 100. Every signal right here is the correct signal to buy. This is the amount of money that we're looking at. Let's see if I can move that over. There you go. See it a little more clearly. This is the second time for a D2, so we can do another buy. Get to follow the rules. And what we're waiting for are these things to start flipping again. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Okay, we're going to stop. Here's a 30-minute, 1 hour again. You can do another buy if you like. This is the amount of money you have. Here we are. Another buy, another buy. Follow the rules, two-step rules for any of these further ones. You only get the first match down here. This is your money. Look at the fucking money. This is crazy. What day is this? May? Holy shit, we got to wait. Here's another buy, another buy. 5 minute was here, 10 minute, 15 minute. I didn't take any of these. It got ridiculous at this point. There's your money. Jesus. Right there's what you're looking at. More. Here's two more you could have re-entered. I didn't enter any of these last ones. I only entered back here. Yep, some more. There's a D3 again. Here. Then it goes to our Discord rooms. This is the money. I haven't taken any of these latest ones. And you could have sold anytime you wanted. Anytime. There you are. Again, don't worry about the dollars. That's just silly. Worry about the win rate. When you see this win rate right here, calling out correct trade after correct trade. And now it's currently, you could have just took this to here. This is currently your daily, weekly buy. I would play any buy stops until the pink line over here comes back up and touches the blue line for UK 100. Any 15-second through daily buy stops for UK 100. Remember this one. I like that trade right here. It's not low enough. For my taste, it's low enough for the computer. I would like this to come down a little bit more, but that's just me. I'm a little more finicky than the computer. Okay. So what are these rules to produce those kind of results? 2 steps. Step 1, go to the 1 hour. See if you see our logo. See if you see the sniper blue line high or low. So we do 1 hour. And what do we see? Yep, perfection. Here's your 1 hour. Pink, blue line high, number 1. Pink line low, number 2. This is a buy stop. So where will we go back to? We can go back here. When our logos form somewhere around here, you're going to see a 15-minute buy, as a guess. Let's see, it might be a 10. 15-minute buy. There it is. And there's your buy. And there it is. So that's how you read step 2. Step 1 is you go to the 1 hour, look for what I just showed you. Step 2 is you either go to the 15-minute or the 4 hour. You go up or down. Step 1 is you go to the 1 hour. Since I saw the 1 hour was right there. So what I'm looking for right here is another hour buy stop somewhere forming here, 10, 15-minute land. And it is. So now it's a 30-minute. This is now a 30-minute buy. 1 hour. It is a 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop, UK 100. I go to the 4 hour. See, it's not acceptable. The 4 hour needs to come down more. See, this already happened. This is your 4 hour buy stop. So what you guys see right here is pink, blue, blue line high, pink line low, buy stop on the 4 hour. This needs to come back down again. The pink here needs to come back down again. Once this arches down again, then it will come up. Now, I'm not saying it isn't going to come up before then. I just don't see this doing the buy. I would not take this 1 hour buy until this came down again. That's all I'm telling you. You guys play it any way what you want. I would wait for this 4 hour to drop down. That's what I would do. You can still put your buy stop line right here and wait. See, it's just so late. I'm very concerned. Your entry should have been here. I'm not going to even, let me see right here. We can do a 4 hour. You got to wait. We got to wait for this to come down. I'm not touching it. I'm not even drawing my line on there. Even though there is play any 15-second through daily buy stop on UK 100 until the weekly pink line comes up. I'm not doing it. I'm not going to take the trade yet. So you should have took the trade already. It was already called out by the signal service. But since we just got the weekly, I'm going to wait. I'll wait for a little retracement back and then get in later. That's all. Again, I'm really conservative when it comes to trading. I know it's funny because people are like, oh, you're conservative, you're doing day trading. Yep, I am. That's the way it is. All right. Further rules, trade entries, you don't have to worry about it because you have the other ones already for this. How to exactly trade a signal, W's and M's. I talked a little bit about that. This is exactly what I do. I get up in the morning, thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual closer with you. Thank for another day of, Bree, Katie, Livy, my mom, my brother and sister, and all our families being together and being relatively healthy and happy. Thank you for another day. Just I give them all my thanks. I believe my core, this helps me to trade better. Second thing I do is I do my pop breathing, which I haven't done yet, which I will do in just a little bit. Third thing I do is I look at these H&H scanners. Maybe. Oh, that's over there. Oop. I look at the H&H scanner for patterns. And then I look for my printed rules and read them over. If I read them over every day, you guys should read them over every day. Then I go to my 1 hour chart and look for the logo, what I just showed you. Specific rules trading. Very specific. You guys should watch this. You can always take an L and re-enter a trade. Trading rules generic for beginners. Upcoming possible projects. We've already completed the number one, but instead of doing the H&H scanner second, we're working on the hopefully make it this Holy Grail signal done this week if we're lucky. If Keith has time and I have time, which I do have time, hopefully he does. Holy Grail trade signals right there. In theory, the signal cannot miss because of the way certain pairs are coded. I always respect God, and he can still make the Holy Grail trade signal miss, but other than that, it should be correct all of the time. There will be different Holy Grail trades, not for ERUSD. It's now for NAS, SPX, and gold. So ERUSD is probably not going to have a Holy Grail trade. And that's it. Those are your rules. They are very simple. Just remember when you're doing the the freedom indicator signals, the first time is the best, just like anything else. First time, best time. That's all I can keep telling you guys. Told you, I just knew that this had to go down further. Just knew it. Knew it, knew it, knew it. Knew it, 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 knew it. It just that US 30 was too far away. Now, I don't know what has NAS done. That's still moving around a little bit, SPX. Yeah, they're not as, no, it's the US 30 when they had to come down. Yep. Keep on playing it. Yeah. Keep playing any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute sell stop to the 3 minute blue line for all three indices of US 30 is the main one, though, on these sells. Then look for your buys. Look for your buys after that. Yeah. Again, NAS 100, 10 minute blue line. My favorites are those. Look for sell stop SPX NAS 30 minute to the 1 hour sell stop. It's just that US 30 is going to recoup, come back down, and then it'll do its thing later on. That's oil, gold. Yeah, we did everything ad nauseum. There's the ricochet of the gold back down. Didn't I call this? Yeah. But I think Pete said that he didn't see the blue line hit yet. So it told you it was going to ricochet, come up, and then come back down, and that's when it's going to do it. Or get really close. I don't know if it's actually going to hit. It's going to get close again. And then after that, you can look for your buys on gold. Yeah, that's that ricochet. Cool. All right. Sevens, if anyone understood what I was just going over with the rules, I hope you do. Let's see. Thoughts on Nvidia for today? What's up, Exilus Days? Nvidia. Yeah, we can read Nvidia. Sure. I'll go do that now. Rules equal money. That is correct. You're welcome, Stefan. Sir Kevin, can the signals be set up to fire off on other Forex pairs? Yes. When you have them, when you LD, if you pay for tier 3, you'll have the signal service and you can set this to set up for firing off on any symbols you want to. You can fire it off to set on any time period you want to. The dailies, the weeklies, the hourlies, the 30 seconds. You'll have that ability to set this to any of the 1,000 symbols if you're in tier 3, to use it on any symbol of the 1,000 LD. Good question. Or are they firing off the triple amount that you mentioned? No, the triple amount means there's just 15 symbols that we are currently sending signals on, and there only used to be 5. There only used to be 4 technically. Yes, Peter, correct. Rules equal money, correct. Record your sessions. Yeah, absolutely. Never part of the rules. Good morning, MC. Okay, so people did follow that. Awesome. Now, I'm not going to be trading through Open with you this morning. I have been trading through Open every day. I missed like one day last week. Today, I'll be missing. Now, starting tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll be able to do a shit ton of trading with you. A shit ton of trading with you, other than when I'm coding with Keith. Yeah. So, yeah. So we did that, put that there. Okay. All right. Remember, always thank God. I always tell you, wake the F up. I'm always telling you, please, I understand everyone here wants consistent profits. That's why I've been doing what I've been doing to try to help you all get consistent profits. I understand that. I promise you, I understand that. We are senior stand ambassadors. We've been asking to their stand is like a Shopify store. It's really big. We were a top 50 company. We have 3 stores. We were a top 50 storefront with them, and we have 3 different stores with them, all hugely successful. Can't thank God enough. You master the system by teaching it to other people. You need to unlearn to relearn the system. You need to forget everything you thought you knew about trading. If you record your sessions, you'll learn at a much faster rate because you can rewatch your recording. The optional add-ons we have are the sniper and our signal service. Okay. The testimonial. I like that we went over this last time in our trade recap picks. Leon. What's his face? He posted it. Hold on. Someone else posted something. We also have a learning room. No, not what I wanted. Someone posted up a thing on here. Sniper learning room. Please support our business room. System call outs. The normal room. I think it was in here. Yeah, there it is. This is Rob Bless. Kind of should have posted in the trade recap room, but that's okay. $1,400, 4 trades. Oh, this is birthday people. Your trade recap picks. Yes, congratulations, XF, with Anthony Villalobos. Sorry, Anthony. $3,000, second $3,000 payout, which is amazing. You got money out of anybody. Awesome job. Fantastic job. This is a funded account. We have hundreds, thousands, well, at least hundreds of members that have thousands of different funded accounts. And this is payout, the second one he got. So very proud of him. Again, just kick, make his money. Just look at these testimonials and you'll see just testimonial after 100. I bet you we have thousands between our emails that we get pretty much every week of testimonials about how great y'all are doing. Those emails we love to get. How great you're doing, send us. Questions, don't fuck around, don't ask us anything. Just look it up yourselves. Trust me, I give you all the answers. But yeah, you just go back through here and just look. It's amazing. Boop, boop. All right. Let me see if I can give you guys some call outs before I go for market open. Let's see. US 30. I would do any 15-second. Let me just rewrite this. It's too much work. I don't like black either. Let me just do some colorful color here. Okay. Demo. US 30. 15-second to 3-minute sell stops to US 30 3-minute blue line. Okay, so that takes care of that. All right, longer term, let's see. US 30 is turning into a 30-minute, 1-hour buy stop. US 30, 30-minute, 1-hour buy stop. Just if you don't want to play around smaller time frames and go to the 1 hour, that's fine. That's understandable. 4-hour, no. 12-hour, daily. I love the weekly. And this is the one I'm going to put out there. Just love the weekly buy stop. Play any 15-second to daily buy stop. Okay, so that's all US 30. Yay, US 30. Go US 30. Let me get rid of this one. All right. Now let's go ahead and go over to, I thought I deleted that one. Now let's go over to NAS. NAS and SPX will be the same. Sell. 15-second sell. 15-second, 30-second sell to the blue line. 30-second blue line. Already hit the 1 minute. Turning into a, okay, 10-minute buy. 10-minute buy. What is this one? What's our 10-minute buy NAS? Okay, NAS and SPX, but 10-minute buy. Gotcha. All right, so NAS, 15-second, 30-second, 30-second, 30-second sell. 30-second sell, 10-minute buy. All right, let's go ahead and do NAS. All right, NAS. NAS and SPX demo. 15-second sell stops to 1 minute blue line, was it, NAS? And then look for I guess that would be a 3-minute. I'll just say 10-minute buy stops to NAS 10-minute blue line. And then that's good enough. That's, you know, I'm not going to go any deeper on those. We don't have to go longer on those. We're fine. Yeah. So if you stick in your sells, you can play the 30-minute sells if you want on NAS and SPX. That's fine. You'll be in those anyways because you're in the 30-minute, 30-second sells, what I just called. Right. So it just came down and touched that. All right. So I'm not going to be here for market open. I'm leaving in just a minute. So if anybody has questions on YouTube or TikTok, please ask. And then I got to add these rules. So let me get this. Okay. Oh, wow. Tired this morning. You guys kind of woke me up a little, though. All right. I have opened a long-term US 30 buy, NAS buy, and SPX buy. I have an odd USD open buy, but that's just for testing purposes. It's not really a trade. Oh, Nvidia. Fuck. Nvidia. Hold on. Let me go to Nvidia. Down here, I believe. Maybe not. Nvidia. Up here. Yep. Nvidia. Sorry. Here we go. All right. Nvidia. You're literally years too late. I don't want to hear that. Well, it is what it is. Could have been buying it. You could have been buying it. Nvidia from back here at $3.19, the first call out, March of 2010. This would have been the first time the signal service would have called this out for you. Buy. This is a sell. Buy. Okay. So with that in mind, since we didn't have hindsight, well, we kind of do actually. It is right here. These are non-changes, are 100% accurate, and there it is. Wow. So you're a little late to the party. The W1 DST1, I will always take. It will always win no matter what. I will trade against any trader in the world if they want to come on and do a live with me. Sure. You make your call outs live, and if I see any signals that are appropriate, I'll make my call outs live. I'll take any W1 DST1 or W1 D1 anytime it comes in. Let's do Nvidia, shall we? And then I'll give you a read on Nvidia. Let's do Nvidia. And then I'm going to have to go. All right, let's see if we can get the first read to come up. Is it moving? Does it work that far back? Shit. I think it's moving. Woohoo! I don't think it's bringing up the. I don't think it's bringing up the code though. I might have to go down to weekly. There it is. First buy. Buy Nvidia. Buy. All right. Let's do it again. We have our first green arrow up. We have our first buy. Nvidia was at 44 cents. Is that fucking right? Nvidia was at 44 cents. Let's see how Nvidia does from when the fuck was this? March 1st, 2010. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Let's hit it. 43 cents. What the fuck? All right. I did not know it was a penny stock. We're going back using our system to do any kind of buys when it calls them out from 2010. This is insane. I'm nuts. What the fuck? That's that funny. You'll notice anytime the pink line rises up, the price goes up, or the profit goes up, I should say, and you make money. I've never done. We did gold, but I never actually did gold from 1970. We were looking at Nvidia from the first signal ever made, 2010. It was made. What did I tell you? March 2010, whatever it is. That's our first buy signal. I think it was at 41 cents. I don't know. It must have been pretty low. We're doing 10 times playback, which I think is the fastest we can do. Yes, it is. So it would have been sucking on wind for a long time. I think it makes some, yeah, it does definitely make some more call outs. So let's just keep looking. Where are we at with this right here? We're on 2013, right? Yeah. This is 3 years later. You still would have made no fucking money. Technically, you would have lost. Waiting for these to turn to green up here. Matter of fact, let me grab a couple. This is our little thing right here. That looks good, whatever this is. 2014 looks like we're starting to pull up a little. This is Nvidia from 2010. The first signal was sent out. Then I'll do real Nvidia current. Yeah, it looks like we're starting to generate more and more money. This is why you want to leave a runner to run, even if it's just one. Here's another one. Stop, stop, stop. Damn. Another buy. So I'm going to do another buy. Another buy. Here's another weekly. See it turned green here, popped up here. Would have gone to our rooms if they were open then. This is fun as fuck. Let's take a look at this now. This is Nvidia from our first. We're going back to every signal, and we're going to play every signal to see how this works. Now, first time you're allowed to take market order. Second time you have to do the. You got to follow the rules. This is our Nvidia money right here. This is what we're looking at, and we're waiting for another signal to be called. Every time there's going to be a blue line, it'll be a buy. We can do the sell. I think there's one sell, but I'm not doing that. This is your money on Nvidia. Remember, it was at zeros when this fucker's popping over. Well, now we're into 2015. We did one buy in Nvidia, two buy into Nvidia. This is your home. We are going to have some fucking money by the end of Nvidia here. There's another buy. Let's pause it. Another buy. Sorry. 1.5. There's another weekly buy right here. So far, there's been no daily buys. This is Nvidia using our signal system. Nvidia from 2010. This is our freedom indicator system. We're only doing the buys when our system tells us to do the buys. This is Nvidia. You can clearly see it's reading it properly. Damn, I missed it. That's just your first W1D1. This turned green. It should have. It did. Do some more buys. It told us to. I'm a little late on that one. This is your money. There's another one. Stop. Damn, I missed it again. It did it again. All right. Play again. Maybe I should slow this up since. Here are we on? 2018. That's your money. DST1 waiting for another change over here or over there. Damn it. Fucking did it again and I missed it. That's fine. We will play any buys. This is a sell, and you can see clearly it was the right read. It's coming down. I'm not going to do a sell. That would just make more money for us. I don't want to interrupt what we're doing. You would have made money on the sell. Let me be clear. I'm not taking the trade. I'm only going to do the buys for you. Here it comes. It's going to start coming back up again. This was no, I don't want to say that. I think there was another buy in there. You should let me match up the earnings. I'm going to turn the earnings on for this so you can see how it works. Stop. We have the green up here again. Another buy right here. I'm going to do my buys again. Buys right here. Buy right there. I'm going to wait for a daily. Maybe I can do this. It's going so fast, but if I don't. We're doing Nvidia from 2010. Every time there's a correct signal on the buy and there's a correct signal on the sell, I don't want to eat both ways. It's not fair. I mean, it would have worked. Why show it? So. And then after, whoops, stop. Another W1 DST1. We're going to do another buy. Okay. And these are non-repainting indicators. Every time you see it, the very first time there's a weekly W1, D1, you can take your entry. Every other time after that, you have to follow our two-step rules. It did not call a sell this time, even though it's going down. It could have, but it did not. Here it comes. It's going to come back up again. You're about to see this go up. We're just doing Nvidia from 2010, the very first time the system called a signal. Wow, I think you're about to see some compounding. Oh, shit. I think you guys are about to see some compounding. Holy shit. Wow. There it is. 100% win rate is more important than the dollar amounts. All the dollar amounts crazy. There's your win rate with using the signal service. So now that we did that and had some fun, he's like, do the damn read. What do you do now? All right. Well, I'm just telling you, you're too late. It's like, well, that doesn't help. Yeah, it kind of does. You should have already been in this fucking weeks ago. But anyway, let's go. Weekly already came up from here to here. Should have been in that trade already. Has to come back down. You're going to need to see Nvidia on the weekly do it here. You can clearly see the W1 right here. These will be, the new code won't show this. It will show a buy stop right there. That's what it was. It was a weekly, monthly buy stop. But anyway, right here, you had your first weekly one. Could have been in that one. Weekly one, day two. Could have been in this. Weekly two. Could have been in this. It's going to do it for the third time. So Nvidia, I wouldn't play anything until Nvidia pulls down, creating our purple line to come back down, low like it did here, here, and here, and then come back up. So that's what I would do. Let's see this is very good. So we have the first time here, W1D, when I'll place this against any trader in the world, anyone, no matter what, anytime. Doesn't matter who they are. I'm not being, oh, look, there's the earnings. Oh, see? See. It called the earnings before they happen. Oh, look, bad earnings came out and it called it. Oh my gosh. It called the bad earnings before the that's the first time I saw that. And then there's your good earnings. Okay, so anyway, that's how I would do that. But anyway, daily, it's already down. So your good news on that is on a daily, I would start to play. Oh boy, let me see something on that hourly. 15 minutes. All right, let's take a look. Nvidia needs to pull down. Let me be clear because it has to form our weekly down. 30-minute ricochet. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute sell stop to the 30-minute blue line. Okay, that's a little shorter term for Nvidia. Correct. That's how I'd play that. Forming a 7-hour, but it's going to go lower. So it's going to form a 12-hour. 12-hour daily buy stop. Daily, weekly buy stop. I wouldn't do these higher time frames until, I don't care if you missed out the fucking trade. It goes skyrocketing $3 million in a day. I don't give a fuck. Follow the rules. I wouldn't trade this again until on a buy, until this comes down low again. It may not. It did it here, obviously. It did it here, obviously. It may not come down and form this, but I'm not taking a long-term buy until Nvidia comes down and form this. I hope I'm clear. That's what I'm going to wait for. When it comes down and forms that, we'll be all over it. If you want to go ahead and risk it, I would wait for the daily here to come down a little lower, hook and come back over. If you forced me to say it's on, whatever, your kitty cat's life, I would put a buy stop here and move it down as it goes down. If you forced me to do that, that's what I would do. I would put it basically where price action is right now, and then move it down as if it goes down. I would move it as it goes down. So you're going to see this be clear on what you're going to see right here. Oh, it went up, blah, blah, blah. This is your ricochet. Our logo's here. It comes down. It's going to ricochet up like this. Come back down and at least get very, very close to this blue line. That's what it's going to do shorter term. But I wouldn't take any buys until it completes that. Or if, again, you're forcing my hand. I mean, I just don't like it. It's just not low enough. We need this to refire. I want the weekly to come down. But that's just me. You can play off the daily if you like. I'm just telling you how I would play it when I'm reading. Oh, go up to 3, but fine. I hope the fucking video goes to $3 billion a year. Knock yourself out. I'm not taking the trade until my system tells me I'm going to take the trade. If that helps. All right. What is Larry Cooper booming? Hey, Larry, I'm going to go ahead and go off of TikTok now, guys. Good luck at the Open. God bless at the Open. Good luck, Larry. You guys have fun. I should be on later tonight. We'll see. All right. YouTube. I'm going to go off of YouTube too. Did I miss any questions on YouTube? Good morning. I like that, Mr. Steve. Rules are important. Hit yourself. Yeah. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Kim the Candle MVA. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Dr. McCain. Long time no see. Boy, we've been kicking ass lately, my brother. Any calls on gold? Already did gold, Martin. Just go back and rewatch it. Just need Sam to. I know, right, LD? Isn't that fun? Feel bad for the poor guy. Oh, gold. Let's see if we call gold here. 1 hour. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there's the 1 hour gold. Told you. Oh, yeah, it almost did. Oh, that's close enough. I told you the sell stops of the gold almost down to the blue. I think it still will go, actually, but that's close enough. That's horseshoes and ink. That's why I called H&H. Yeah, I already looked at gold and oil, Jay. Thank you, Jan. Good morning, Ron. Gotta run, Ron. You'll have to rewatch the video. All right. God bless you all on TikTok, YouTube. Well, I already got rid of TikTok. Sorry. God bless you all. Everyone have a great, great morning. Let me close. Good luck at Open, guys. I'll trade Open with you, Lord willing, tomorrow and Thursday, and I think even Friday we have available. All right, but not today.